Hello, welcome to the video lectures being organized by Vivekananda Institute of Management. This topic deals with Gulbarga University Kalburgi's marketing management subject for BBM first semester. The syllabus is quite similar to the principles of marketing subject of BCom first semester. So the students of BBM and BCom can both use the lectures related to marketing. So the syllabus content of marketing management prescribed by Gulbarga University for BBM students covers the first unit deals with marketing, the introduction, its importance, and the meaning and the various concepts in marketing management. The second unit deals with market segmentation, the meaning, the basis on which market segmentation is done, the targeting, positioning, and marketing mix. The third unit deals with consumer buying behavior. What are the factors affecting consumer buying behavior? Then consumer decision making process, features of industrial buying, and factors affecting the industrial buying behavior. The fourth unit deals with the product concept, the classification of product life cycle, product mix, new product development process. And the fifth unit deals with channels of distribution. It covers the various types of distribution channels, advertising, the meaning of advertising, what is sales promotion, what is personal selling, and tools of sales promotion. This is the syllabus which is prescribed for BBM. BCom, the first three units are very much similar. The fourth unit for BCom is about pricing, meaning of price, different types of pricing methods, what are the objectives of pricing, and the essentials of sound pricing policy and promotion mix. So the channels of distribution of BBM first and which is part of fifth unit is covered in fourth unit along with price for BCom. And additional units for BCom are fifth unit deals with advertising and publicity, which is also covered in the fifth unit for BBM, and sixth unit is the recent developments in marketing for BCom. So it includes online marketing, direct marketing, service marketing, social marketing, and green marketing. Generally, the Gulbarga University syllabus is spread across 5 units, and for BCom it is spread across 6 units. So each unit will carry equal weightage. So your theory syllabus will be for 80 marks and 20 marks will be for internals. So out of the 5 units, each unit will generally cover about 20 marks. So 5 into 20 is 100, around 20 marks will be in choice. So you have to answer approximately 16 marks from each unit. So that is the usual ideal scenario, but there will be some variation. For BCom students, there are 6 units. So approximately each unit will have around 13 to 14 marks of questions, and that will be 80 marks in total plus 20 marks internals. Internals will be on the basis of 2 internal tests that will be taken. Now let us look at what exactly this subject aims to achieve. See, marketing management is a subject which deals with buying and selling of goods, about meeting people's expectations, fulfilling their needs and wants, and making profit for the organization. So all these units are basically meant to teach you the skills of marketing. The first unit's objective is to ensure that you understand the concept of marketing properly. There is a distinction between marketing and selling. So what is that distinction? You have to understand it properly. And the next unit, which deals with market segmentation, here you would be looking at things related to how to segment the market, on what basis you are going to segment the market. Segment the market basically means dividing the market into smaller pieces, because one product or service cannot be sold to everybody and anybody. So your product or service will be required by some portion of the market. So how to identify that some portion, how to segment the market, and how to use that segment to increase your sales. So the second unit deals with market segmentation, and the skills that you are going to acquire here deal with how to make segments in the market, how to divide the markets into smaller units and how to manage these smaller units. The third unit deals with understanding the psychology of the consumer. So when people buy things, why do they buy things, how do they decide which things to buy, and what are the factors which influence this buying decision. Are there people who influence it? Are there product related features which influence it, or are there some other factors which influence it? Price, promotion, place, publicity. So there are n number of factors which may be there. We have to understand which are these factors which influence, and whether the use of the product is for short term or long term or medium term. So these are things which we need to understand. So once you understand these concepts properly, then you will be able to plan for your marketing management. And then the fourth unit deals with the product concept, its classification, life cycle, etc. So product concept basically means to understand what kind of product it is, what are the features of a product, what is the quality of product, and how do you classify the products, on what basis you are classifying the product into durables, non-durables, or products which are there for basic necessities, products which are for luxuries, which products which are for essentials. So there will be various different types of classifications that we need to study, and this understanding of the classification will help us to decide how to sell that product properly. So this is also an important topic. And then finally the channels of distribution, which covers about how we need to take the product which is manufactured at one place to across the market. You may be producing in one place or you may be producing in several places, but you have to ensure that it reaches to the consumer at the nearest and most convenient place. So how do I take my products or goods to the most convenient place, and how do I create a demand for the product? I will try to sell it, that is push. The customer will demand it, that is pull. So there has to be a balance between the pull and push. So how to create that, and how to ensure that my product is available to the consumers and customers easily. So this is the outline of the marketing management syllabus prescribed by Gulbarga University. It is a very interesting subject, and one of the most important subjects, and one of the basic subjects of entire management process. So we wish you happy learning. In the next videos we will go into the first unit, that is introduction to marketing. Thank you.